So, it's been ages since I've uploaded, but it might be worth it because we're going to be making our own tomato sauce from the tomatoes that I've grown and pickled beetroot. Is that water in there? Yeah? That's water, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's our yellow
Now,
golden beets.
I'm just going to set the tripod up. Is there anything you want me to do with the
With the tomatoes, yeah, what you can do is set the tripod and everything up. And
I'm filming, but yeah. All right, here I am, ready to cook. Okay, set the chopping board. We've got two. Oh, that one. Tupperware chopping board. Which one do we put it? That way? Yep. So,
Okay.
let's sit them there. All right.
Probably
We've got preserving jars. Yeah, we've got preserving jars for the beetroot. We'll move them up a little bit.
This. So what I need you to do is fresh tomato.
Yeah. Cut it. All right. Yep. Can you do that because you're allergic or?
Yeah, no, I can do it. As long as I don't eat it.
Right.
I'm not allergic.
You break out in
I'm
rash.
sensitive.
Yeah. Oh, you don't stop breathing or anything.
No,
You just,
just break out in a rash and I get itchy.
yeah, which is still not pleasant.
And I'll trim these beets.
All right, so I'm just going to continue cutting them. I should show you what I've got. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell, but it's okay. So what we did was we put them in a box because we grew them in the garden, but we planted them like, what, January, February?
Yes.
And it was a bit too late because they're like summer and it was already like the end of summer. So we let them grow for ages. The bushes just overtook my garden, as you know. Like I couldn't even get in through the door. I had to climb over the fence. But they were still all green. There was like 3 that were red, I think. So what we did was we put them in a box in a dark room and we just waited for them to turn red. And a lot of them now have turned red, probably more than half of them. Most of them have started to turn orange. Half of them, at least half, are red. So that's been really good. So I've just put Mum's mask on because I'm really not the biggest fan of the smell. It's very strong, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
I can chop the tomatoes if you want to do the beets. They're just messy.
Oh no, I can do tomatoes. I'll just wear your mask to do it.
Tiger ones too, Reese.
Oh,
They're hot.
look. Cut quite a few of them now.
Don't want to lose this good colour.
I like your mask. It's like, I mean, I don't really like the colour, but obviously,
It's comfortable.
yeah, I know. I wish I had one like this. Like it fits almost perfectly, doesn't it?
It does. That was Nana's mask.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. And the last bit.
Did she give it to you? Did she give it to you? Did she?
Yeah,
Ah.
she didn't like it. She got too hot in it.
Ah,
I might peel the tiger beets first. I don't know if that's what they call it. That's what I call it.
right. Ah, oh, because I got stripes.
Yeah. Quite cool looking. I don't know if they're
All right, so I've cut about half of them. So now I've got to get a bowl. Which bottom drawer, left or right?
right.
Do you want me to grab the
Just
pancake?
grab the big window one that goes in the microwave.
Oh, this one?
Go the one underneath that.
Oh, the red one. Yeah, okay.
And just tip them into there.
The tomatoes?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do
There's
that.
an easy way you can do that.
Yeah, I'll just lower it.
If you carefully can the chopping board.
Hang on, I'm filming.
Sorry.
Oh, yep. Oh, good. Okay, yep.
Do you want to do it? Do you want me to?
All right, so I've got them in here now. I'm still heating our water. Is the water for the beetroot or?
That's for the beets.
It is.
Now I've got to cook the beets, and then we're going to put them into a vinegar
Oh, let's look at Milo.
and preserve them like you would buy canned beetroot.
Oh, nice. All right, I'm going to keep cutting, so I've got the mask back on. I'm sorry, I just can't stand the smell.
Oh.
I'm going to throw them in as I'm doing it now.
Just do that.
And you came out of isolation yesterday, didn't you?
I did. Oh, goodness.
Remember when I had it, it's just don't know why you couldn't have got it.
It was very odd, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's my teacher. Okay.
Oh, no, that one has to go. I broke it.
That's right, just put it in there, we're going to cook it. As long as we've got the green bits off the top, that's all.
Yeah, that one had a green bit when I went to cut it off.
It just
The,
went.
yeah.
That's fine.
I'm going to put the camera like down now so you can see me actually cutting it. That was a big one. Oh, oh. Oh, the colour of the water, did you say?
On the golden beets.
Oh, look at that yellow water. Oh my goodness. Even that one's starting to go pink. Oh, that's cool.
And we've just got the red ones still.
Yeah.
Which are we doing now? Oh, really nice.
Alright guys, well, I've finished shopping. So now I've just got to wash the placemat. Alright, so we're seeing what we've got to do next. We cut all the tomatoes. There. Now we've just got to see what I'm going to do next.
For some reason, the next thing's so I put some cream in my face.
Oh, okay. I am amazed at the colour of that water. Can't really see in that one. It is pink, trust me. Achoo. Excited.
So we might make a batch of tomato paste, and then we might do some tomato sauce.
Oh, okay.
Right, here we go.
I love tomato paste.
So we need a bay leaf, dried oregano,
Got bay. I know where the bay leaves are.
salt, white sugar,
Do I?
olive oil.
Yeah, there they are. Bay leaves. Oh, these are the bay leaves. Got the bay leaves.
Beautiful. The bay leaves.
What else did you need? Salt.
We need salt. We need the dried oregano. We might use dried.
Okay. Well, can you use the table salt to work, won't it?
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
You alright? What do you want me to grab? Is that the...
And then we'll look at the pickled beetroot one in a minute.
Okay. So we need... Oh. Sorry guys. 750 rubber tomatoes. Do you want to add them in?
Yep.
Is this for paste or sauce?
This is the paste.
Oh, I love tomato paste. So I can put it on pasta and stuff, can't we? Oh. Just hanging around us while we're cooking. You can't get your nose closer to the camera, can you?
Oops.
You've gone a bit over. That's all right. Look at me in my apron. You can just see it. All right, next we are just turning it to speed 5. We'll chop it. I reckon we'll probably get about a batch and a half, don't you? Next.
Add another 750. Well, we don't have another 750 grams.
Do you reckon we would? About, maybe?
Well, we'll see. We'll tell you that back. We'll see how much we've got.
Do you want me to do it, or you don't mind me filming, do you?
No, you happy to do that?
Oh,
Oh,
about,
450. That's not bad.
it's about half. I thought we'd get about a batch and a half. All right, I'll put it down now so I can help you.
See if they're cooked.
Okay, and what do you want me to do?
I'm just going to dry this.
One dry bay leaf. Do you want me to add the bay leaf? Just in like that?
Yep.
Next, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. You want me just to do a tablespoon of basil? I can. Yeah. I love the smell. Salt, 1 tablespoon.
1 teaspoon.
Let's stuff that one up. White sugar. We've got raw sugar.
We've got some like pasta made.
It's a caster.
That's the raw caster sugar we made. We made that cake that day.
Oh, just add it was a teaspoon.
A teaspoon, yeah. You do it over the top so it doesn't make a mess. Perfect.
Oh, good.
What's next?
So, place Verona dish. Where is the Verona dish? Where's the Verona dish? About Verona Livingston. Oh, look, we've done that.
Oh, hang on, no, we've got another thing for that.
What is it?
So if we put this on,
Yeah.
take that out. And where's our little, not that one there, it's my phone some.
Oh, dash. Like, over the top? Hang on. Stops it from splattering. Right, next.
And that's going to cook for 60 minutes.
Alright, it's cooking for 60 minutes. Does that mean I'll get a little break now? A little break?
Yep. We've got to sterilise those jars.
And how are we going to do that?
Well, I read a really good tip on the Thermomix website that we will put boiling water into the jars, or hot water into the jars, put them in the microwave.
Do you want me to boil the kettle maybe?
Yes. So let me just find my.
Just fill it up. I'm not going to be able to film this. Sorry, guys.
Let me find my.
I'll fill it up all the way just so we can get enough in it. I'll fill it up like over half.
Would you mind?
Come on, let's go outside. Milo, outside. Now, was there meant to be a key in the door? Because I can't find it.
I think Dad's got this.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm just getting a little break because we've got to cook for 60 minutes, so thought I'll just have a little break. I'll just sit here, have a relax, and then I'll go back and do some more. And I think I'm going to do some baking this afternoon. So I'll be able to do 2 separate videos. That way I'm probably not going to run out of content. I'm sorry, I truly am. Alright, so we've got our preserving jars. Did you put them in the oven to sterilise them?
Yep.
Alright, and now we've got our beetroots. And I just want to show them. Look at that coloured water. Oh my god. So this is how we're going to preserve them.
They've been stained. Oh.
Is there anything you want me to do?
What we might be able to do very carefully because these jars have been in the oven
Yeah, it is.
is I'll give you a tea towel.
Yep. Yep.
I just need to give them a...
Okay. Oh, they're hot. I'm filming you. Look at this.
just got to strain the vinegar because
Okay.
it's got spices and things in it. So I'm just going to put the pot and this hot vinegar.
Is it the vinegar?
Yeah.
Is it just vinegar or not?
Vinegar, water, sugar, a little bit of salt,
So it's got more
peppercorns, and mustard seeds.
Nice.
So that will strain out. We're still going to have some of the mustard seeds and
Yeah.
in the vinegar. I quite like that.
Okay. All right, I'm just going to sterilise the lids. There's some hot water. There's 6 of them in there. So I'll do that. All right, guys. So we're just going to add some hot water to these. I reckon it'll be fine now because it doesn't have to be boiling, does it? It's just very hot water.
It has to be boiling.
It is boiling. Oh, just not enough, but it would be enough, I reckon. I'll just have to.
Once the lids are covered.
All the 2 of them are just hanging out, but I reckon I can probably poke them down. Yep, I can cover them all. Make sure they all get covered. I reckon they're all about sterilised now. Tomatoes will be almost ready.
So,
Are they? 11 minutes. Look at that water. Nice colour. So look at our beets. We've got yellow ones, stripy tiger ones we're calling them, and the traditional purple or red ones.